Take your classic waterfall braid to a whole new level with this double braided technique. Create a side part, then grab a thick strand from the front and divide it into 3 equal sections. First, place the left strand, then the right strand, over the middle one. Each time you get to the right strand, pick up and add some more hair to the braid. Release the left strand and replace it with a new piece of hair from underneath. Continue this pattern as long as you like, and finish the braid with the last 3 remaining strands. Tie the ends with a clear elastic. Take a new strand from the front, divide into 2, and also use the first released strand from the previous braid. Create an identical waterfall braid going parallel with the first one. Replace the bottom strands with new pieces of hair as you did before, and add the previously released strands gradually to the upper strand. Finish off the braid with the last 3 strands and secure it with an elastic.